Corona Municipal Airport.
Automated weather observation 0, 1, 0, 2, Zulu. Wind 260 at 1, 2. Visibility 6 Ks. Sky conditions clear below 12000. Temperature 2 Celsius. Viewpoint 13 Celsius. Altimeter 3000.
Corona traffic, Cessna 75739er, taking active runway 25, close pattern, Corona.
Corona traffic, helicopter 350, Charlie Mike, 3.5 northeast, low level, landing south side lawn, will not be impacted with the active. And Corona traffic, bearing 42 kilos, about 8 south east, just to beam the, looks like the landfill for 25.
55 knots, rotate, oil pressure is good, RPM is good, and green, green.
Corona traffic, Pacer 14 Bravo is turning left base for 25. Corona. Traffic, Pacer 14 Bravo is on final, 25, Corona.
Traffic 8 Echo Whiskey's on the VOR approach, Corona. Corona traffic, helicopter 0, Charlie Mike, just north, transitioning south 270 to the south side lawn, no factor with the active.
Corona traffic, Cessna 739er, left downwind 25, Corona. Okay, mixture rich. On both, 2200 RPM, got the plan on final on the site, for final, repeat out.
And Corona traffic, bearing 42 kilos, midfield, south of the field, 3 miles, will be entering the left downwind for 25 Corona.
Corona traffic, 739er, turning left base 25 Corona.
Corona traffic, helicopter 0, Charlie Mike, over the south side lawn, landing, no factor with the active. And Corona traffic, bearing 42 kilos, entering left downwind, midfield, Corona. Traffic 8 Echo Whiskey's on the VOR approach, just south or east of the field.
And Corona traffic, Pacer 14 Bravo, clear the active, 25, Corona.
Corona traffic, 739er, and our short final for 425, full stop, Corona.
And Corona traffic, bearing 42 kilos, getting ready to turn left base for 25 Corona, have the traffic on short final.
Little too fast, there we go. The bumpy. Power out.
Traffic, bearing 42 kilos, left base for 25 Corona.
Thumbs up, mixture lean. Heartbeat in. Transponder standby. Corona traffic, Cessna 739er is clear of 25, Corona. Corona traffic, Cessna 75739er, taking active 25, close pattern, Corona.
Corona 56, 40 on Mike, MVO on Alpha, runway 25, Corona traffic.
Clear to the left. Corona traffic, Cessna 739er, left crosswind 25, Corona. Corona traffic, 739er, turning left downwind 25, close pattern, Corona. Coming up on 1500 feet, reduce power. roll out on 070. Carburet out, mixture rich, fuel both. 1700 RPM, 90, 10 degrees of flaps. Corona traffic, Cessna 739er, turning left base, 25 Corona. 20. Corona traffic, Cessna 739er, final 25 Corona. Power out and pitch up. Throttle high, back on glide slope. To arrest the descent there with power. And flex up, mixture lean, carburet in. Transponder standby. Corona traffic, Cessna 739 is clear 25 Corona.